MG ALBA is asking the BBC to make more than 10 hours of quality programming per week. At the moment it makes 4.4, so that's more than doubling the amount it makes for the channel. We think that will have a hugely significant effect on our schedule. It will mean that we can have up to 3 hours of new programming per day, and we're very much convinced that the audience are deserving of that. So how does that compare to other minority language channels? We have 1.7 hours of new programming per day at the moment. That includes news. If you compare that to the Irish language channel, TG Ceathair, they have 5 hours of new programming per day. The Welsh language channel, S4C, has up to 8 hours of new programming per day. At the moment, the BBC spends 0.36% of its total budget on BBC ALBA. When we're asking them to double that, that's only going to take it to 0.72%. So we know there's too many repeats. We know that there is no weekend news in Gaelic. We know there's not enough children's programming, not enough young people's programming. There are gaps in terms of entertainment, comedy, programming for learners. With increased BBC investment, we can start to serve the audience we want to and address these issues. So we need you to take part in the BBC Charter Renewal Consultation, and together we can make the argument for the service that we deserve. It's quite simple. We want to have more original content on the channel so that we can serve you better, and you can help us do that.